You don't need to be a CAD expert to create electrical plans. SmartDraw lets electricians and general contractors quickly create accurate, professional electrical plans that are easy to build and easy for customers and inspectors to understand. Draw your walls, then map out the location of outlets, switches, lights, and appliances on your floor plan. Draw electrical lines connecting lights to switches and group outlets into circuits. SmartDraw has an extensive collection of electrical symbols including outlets, switches, panels, breakers, lighting fixtures, smoke detectors, and more. You don't need to redraw or start from scratch if you already have a floor plan or existing blueprint. Import a PDF or image into SmartDraw and set its scale. Then layer your own electrical plan on top while still creating an accurate drawing to scale. Layers let you separate your drawing into distinct views and focus on the system you're working on. You can create a floor plan, then manage your electrical plan or HVAC information separately, and make edits without affecting other parts of your plan. Use a scale-independent annotation layer to keep track of information like your company details, proposal date, client, and other information. SmartDraw lets you move beyond an electrical plan with project charts and timelines that will keep your project on schedule. You can create installation timelines that help you know when to start rough-ins, add panels before drywall, add fixtures after paint, and keep track of inspection milestones, manage crew assignments, and more. When you're finished, generate polished PDFs for prospects, permit submissions, inspections, field crews, and maintenance records.